Hi friends, good morning everybody. I'm Mr. Chandrasekhar, a corporate trainer for soft skills and personality development. Now I'm here to let you know how to introduce yourself when you go for an interview. Wherever you go, even after giving a resume, they'll be asking you to introduce yourself. And most of the people get tongue tied and they are bewildered and they get confused because the moment they come to know that they are into an interview, people generally tend to just pressurize themselves. But I always have a different perspective towards pressure. If you can perform and do well under pressure, it gives immense pleasure. So, without letting the time go off, I would like to come to the point over here. The moment you start the personal election, the best thing that you can do is after wishing somebody, you can start off with your name, your father's name, your native place. After that, your educational qualification, which is a linchpin or kingpin of your total introduction, which gives a right idea for one to make a decision. After that, immediately you'll have to be going for, if you are working, you'll have to talk about your designation along with the experience, and then your hobbies. Most of the people have got a doubt, why do we speak about, why do we have to speak about, in fact, the hobbies. Well, that gives some sort of positive impression on somebody, that you have some good habits where you can spend your free time. And many people like have some free time, but they spend it in different ways. But if you have a good way of spending it, and that will definitely add value to his or her organization where you'll be going to work. And coming to that, like the continuation, after hobbies, you'll have to be speaking about your strengths and weakness. Again, this is one hurdle and one question, a big question, million dollar question. Everybody asks me when I teach. The students ask me, why weakness? If we tell weakness, would anybody give us a job? Of course, there lies the question. The answer lies in the question. Yes, somebody would definitely give. A hard-nosed professional like me definitely look for both strengths and weakness, and it is a well-known fact and open secret that every individual on the earth has strengths and weakness equally well. And the best thing that the best people do is they weaken their weaknesses and they strengthen their strengths, where a saturated point would come where you'll be left with most of the strengths rather than weakness. And if you are giving your weakness, it's not that you are giving letting out your weakness that is troubling you, but if you have identified your weakness itself is a big success that one can have. And here lies the logic, that if you are giving both, people can definitely take you as an honest person. This is how I see, and it is left to you whether to include or not. But as a mandatory part of my duty, I'm just giving you the format. And last but not the least, we are coming to the last half of ending of this personal election. Role model, after weeks and strengths and weaknesses. Role model is one whom you admire most and whom you would like to emulate, or maybe become something like that. Role model, generally people have role models who have been celebrities, or maybe who work for the society, like humanitarians. And coming to my ambition, I always and admired Mother Teresa, because she was the one great humanitarian who is immortal, and a great humanitarian who spent all her life fighting for human beings. Coming to last but not the least, ambition. This is the most important part of one's personal election. Most of the people, when I interact with the people, end up without mentioning the ambition. That shows how aspirated or how desperate are you towards your success in life. And a goal is not just a goal, or ambition is not just an ambition. It is one thing which provides you or gives you the direction for your efforts and life, and that is in fact what makes you to live. Besides eating food, drinking water, taking air inside, it is one such most essential factor which definitely makes one to live well, and go forward, prosper, flourish in a big way. And in my view, everybody needs to have a goal, and it is one which makes the people so aspirated towards life and success. And there are many things to share. This is in a simple way that you'll have to introduce while you give an interview wherever. And besides this, I would like to lastly mention one more point. A lot of people go in a mediocre way like this, but if I am the candidate, I would always like to be different from others. I would always like to be an innovative person, because whole world is behind creativity and innovativeness, and I would certainly want to be different from hundreds or thousands of people that I will be competing with. So to show your trump card and show your innovativeness, you can be a bit different while introducing. Beginning is most important, and you can come up with an innovative introduction saying that well, it's a great privilege for a guy who is completely from a remote agricultural background to come before people and introduce. It's none other than me. My name is Mr. Chandrasekhar. Being from agricultural background, I just never relaxed in my life and went on to promote myself, upgrade my skills, and I'm starting before you by winning all the hearts of the corporate people. It's none other than me. My name is Chandrasekhar. This would definitely do word of good for you, where you can be highlighted as outstanding from hundreds of people who compete. And this is just an example. You can come up with many magical phrases like this, which would definitely be keeping you in a better shape when compared to others. And there are many things. Even beginning is important, I said. Like ending is equally important to beginning, because ending is one which gives the everlasting you know impression on you for the interviewer. Ending can also be something different, like thank you for giving me this great opportunity, and I'm glad that I introduced myself, and I'll be like whatever. And you can just go through exploring the new things, which should definitely be making you stand tall among others. Thank you for listening to me so patiently, and I wish you all the success, and I hope it would definitely be very helpful for you in your future endeavors. Thank you. Jai Hind.